Hi guys and welcome to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Roblox Custom PC Tycoon. I've never played this game before, so it's nice to play a new game. So yes, so this is probably a simulator tycoon. You're gonna build a PC, I guess, because it's in the name. So it only has to be you're gonna build a PC and get a lot of money or something. So I guess yes, I don't know if you want to see this series, but comment down below and leave a like if you want to see more of this series. So guys, now we're here in custom in PC Tycoon. So what we going to now? I turn off the music because I don't want to have music. So I did miss it's coming up pop on screen now. But for sale, I guess we can take this one. Can you so reclaim the spot? No. Okay, so sell PC. Okay, upgrade podium, cash 200, upgrade workbench, cash 100. Okay, I have 50 now, so build a PC. I guess we click. Do you want a new PC or new? Because I don't have. Guess we take this one and we can. I choose orange. Can you choose orange? Primary. Workbench needs to be upgraded. Okay, premium color scan. Okay, we need to upgrade this. Add item, case, monitor port, and we cannot change this color now. And I guess we take this one, bro. Okay, CPU, we need that. RAM, this one, and memory. We need a lot of memory. GPA, that doesn't exist. Fan, cooler. Okay, guess we are done. Okay, it's worth 49.99. Enter a name. Bad PC, because it's a really bad. Okay, because it's a really bad PC. Bad PC. Don't buy it. Or I don't know. Great, you either sell your PC or place it on the potential to make massive money over time. When it's recommended. Okay, I guess we build now. Okay, sell the PC. I want to sell the PC. And sell. And we did get 50. We get 50 bucks. So now we are 100. I guess we build another PC. So, okay, we don't have. Wait, what? There is no room for this type. Okay. We don't have. And okay, probably must buy something if it is like a shop or something. Explore PC. Probably the shop is somewhere here. Is this a shop? Like storage unit. I need find where I can. Where's the shop? Where is the shop? It's maybe. Okay, here is the store. So we must buy some parts now. We need to buy a case. Okay, 2,000 gold. Okay, can we take a on the cost 100? What is that gold? We don't have enough. Okay, is it this? Okay, this is okay. Where is it here? You can buy for gold, but is that gold? No, that I don't know what that is. Okay, and yeah, I don't know what. How do you get gold then? Like, where is the gold? Okay, here. Bing. Okay, there. Cash 5. I guess we take this. No, we need money to We take that with 20. Did I? Yes, I buy it because we need like this. We need a memory card. We take that one. We take this sheep. Now we take one more. And we need this. We can take one or two like them because it's good. And maybe we take some of these. And RAM, we take this. And memory. And we need, I think, okay, that's it maybe, I don't know. So now we have some parts and we're probably gonna build our PC now. So we probably have some parts now that we can build a PC, a new one. Add item case, we have this one here, and okay, this must after, okay. So then we have two of these, that's nice, and we have power supply, we take one there. CPU, we take that one. RAM, we take that one, and memory, we take that one. CPU, we take that one, and yeah, I think we're done. Subscribe to Drakian Love Games because you must do that. If you don't have a subscribe already, please hit the subscribe. It helped me a lot, and I will make more videos if I get more subscribers. Okay, sell. Can I sell it? Okay, I'll maybe take this one and sell. And I did get a lot of money. Money. Okay, we're going to the store now. So we need to buy some parts now. And where is the store now again? It's here. Here is the store. Yeah, it's the store, guys. Okay, here. Hello, bacon here. Oh my god. Hello. Okay, that's a weird skin. But okay, don't care if that's freaking. So we here and we're gonna buy this one. Yes. And memory card, we can like buy this one for 16. And we already have that, but we can maybe buy some more. And we can buy some more of these. And RAM, we can buy some of that, and we can buy some of that. What is this? I maybe do buy that, yeah. A basic fan. Okay, I don't have money. What? Okay, my inventory. Oh, okay, this is inventory. So then we go back to my shell, and I see we can upgrade our shell because this is very boring shell, and we can be a lot of good PCs. Okay, new one, and we're gonna add item, and the case we have this one. We can not change the value, we must add, yes. Motherboard, we can take this one. Power supply, we take this one. It's maybe a little bit cheaper, but we take that. And they're exactly the same. RAM, we take that one, and memory, take that one, and this we take that one, and done. Let's call this one Fire PC. That one is good. It's Fire PC. So now we get some money. I'm rich now. I'm rich. It's like getting most of my money out of my ass. I'm rich. Okay, now get the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. So yeah, I'm going to the wrong way, and here to the store. This is the store. Hello. I'm going to buy a new. I'm gonna be rich, and I'm gonna not buy that. I buy this one. Can I make two of these? So, and we buy like, how many can we buy? Like 3? Yes. And we buy like, not 3, 2 of those. Okay, don't have. Okay, now my inventory is full. I don't know if we have enough for new PC now, but we can try, and we are going to be rich. It's just just getting started, and guys, it's just started. Okay, add item case. We take this one and add item. Okay, we have a lot of this. That's nice. And we take that one, and we take that one. We We take the RAM. We don't have any RAM and CPU. Okay, and no money. I think. Okay, then we need like to buy CPU and RAM. So yes, leave it there. We will probably we need. Okay, we don't have any PC to sell, but rest. No, so we must go back and we have. I don't know if that is enough. Okay, but I think it's enough for RAM and memory, or was it? Did we have memory? I don't remember because my memory. I need memory. Okay, but we buy 2 of these. RAM and memory. Did we buy memory? We take 1 of these, and it was this one. Ooh, there. So now I think we have enough. I think we have enough. I think we have enough. Okay, now we're here. Can continue with our PC, and we can take CPU. Oh, it was CPU. No. Oh. Oh. Okay. And we cannot. We must. Okay, we can sell it. Never mind. We gave it fire PC. 0 because this hasn't any CPU, so it's 0. And then we click here and sell, and we sell this PC. We are rich now. But that was everything with this video. Don't forget to subscribe and subscribe to my Swedish channel. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in another video. Goodbye.